Welcome to Unsatisfying Art YouTube channel. Today we are present with a new art. Things you need: square paper. Let's start. Fold the paper as shown in the video. Like this. If you have not subscribed to Unsatisfying Art YouTube channel, subscribe now. Fold the paper like this. Follow us on Instagram. Fold the paper as shown in the video. Like this. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, कमेंट करें एंड शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। साथ ही बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि अगली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आप तक पहुंच सके। It's ready. If you like this video, like the video, share, comments and subscribe the channel as well as press the bell icon so that the next video notification can reach you.